Hey guys, it's me, the Natural Cole, your how-to resource for natural hair. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I achieved these amazing curls with only two products. Yes, you heard me, two products. What products am I talking about? Products from the Doux. This is the We Want Easy Texture Tamer. This is a leave-in conditioner and a smoothing lotion. And after I applied that product to damp hair, I proceeded to use the Doux Most Def Texture Foam. It says this is a high definition control mousse. And guys, I gotta be honest, it really is a high definition control mousse. Do you see my curls? I mean, let me give you guys a close up look. Do you see this? Look at that. That curl definition is sick. Every strand of my hair is curled. Every strand is curled. I did just come from under the hair dryer, and I'm not gonna fluff my hair or anything like that. I'm not gonna do that because I'm prepping my hair for work tomorrow, and it is a little stiff. And so what I could do is just run my fingers through it to go ahead and break that cast, but I'm not gonna do that. I'll do that in the morning, and plus when I go to sleep tonight, the cast will break anyway. I'm really surprised to get a cast with a mousse. I mean, it's kind of like a gel cast, but yeah, you guys have been asking me to do a tutorial using this product. You guys have been in my IG stories asking me, because that's where I have been talking about the product the most, in my Instagram stories, and I do share that over to the Natural Cole Facebook stories. So I've been using this product for about a month, and I really wanted to make sure I got the hang of it, because at first, I'm not gonna lie, I really wasn't a fan of it. Then the second try, the third try, and then today the fourth try is 100% the bomb. And it also helps that I got a fresh trim, so my curls are looking amazing. I mean, I'll just go ahead and do this right here to show you guys. Look at that. Do you see that movement? Look at those curls. Do you see that? Yes. I was able to get this type of definition with a mousse. So I have recorded step by step for you guys how to do this. You will see me apply mousse to every strand of my hair. So if you have used this product, or if you're thinking about using this product, let me know if you do. If you have used it, leave a comment below. If you used it, you liked it, you didn't like it, it really wasn't for you, let's talk about it. Let's talk about it in the comments below. Let's have a conversation. And remember, you can find me all over social media, on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, here on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, until next time, this is the Natural Cole, your how-to resource for natural hair. Peace.